Happy morning, children. Let us start with the new words here. Relationship. The way in which two or more people are connected. How people are connected. The way. That is a relationship. Father, mother, uncle. How is the relationship between two people? If it is good or bad. How they move. That is a relationship. Attained. To be successful in achieving. Is successful. Something is getting. Then attained we say. Paved, to lead to something. Paved to that. I have paved the way. That means you are leading to something. Now, we are going to see India's freedom struggle. India has a long struggle for freedom. It was ruled by the British for close to 200 years. All the leaders had had a common goal. Many leaders were there who had a common goal, that is freedom for India. So they started different ways to get freedom, and Gandhiji's Ahimsa or Subhash Chandra Bose military struggle, you have to tell me now which liberated India. Which one? Gandhiji's Ahimsa or Bose military struggle? Okay, that is a debate. Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose were famous freedom fighters. They came to light during the freedom movement. Each one of them put forward their own strategies. Their own strategies means methods to make India a free nation. Did the British free out of fear of violence? Violence-nala பயந்துட்டு அவங்க போயிட்டாங்களா? Or was it a continuous non-violent struggle? Continuous non-violent struggle. Who was doing that? Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. This question is, which method was more successful? Okay. Gandhiji worked towards mobilizing people. Mobilizing means there is a movement of people coming together. People are coming together who spoke different languages. India was a country where there were many different languages and many religion also, and they all have to come together unitedly, follow different religions and belong to different states. He believed in achieving the goals without using force or violence. So he believed this, and he felt that the best way to fight unfair thing is to disobey it. Disobey means not follow. Unfair, தப்பா இருக்கதை நம்ம ஃபாலோ பண்ணக்கூடாது. On the other hand, we have Bhagat Singh and Netaji. Okay, one side is we call them moderates. They believed in non-violence, and the other side is the people who were fighting against the British. They were also fighting, like Bhagat Singh and Netaji. They believed that through violence only we can achieve freedom. But their influence, they could not unite all the people of India together. Only a part of India was under their control. That is, they could bring. They could not bring the whole nation. Their influence was limited to northern India. Violent struggles could never manage to generate the pressure that non-violence did. So if Gandhiji would have resorted to violence, then he would have been killed. If you do something wrong in a violent method, then definitely the British would have killed. But what did they do? They put him in jail, but they could not. He was doing fasting in the jail also. So he was actually released many times from jail, 21 times in history it is there. He went to jail and then he was released. So the British could not do anything, could not act against Gandhiji, because whatever he was doing, he was not doing against the law. He was disobeying the law, but for that they could only arrest him. They could not do any violent attacks on him. He was because he had the support of the people also, and he was opposing them, yet doing nothing illegal. Illegal means law was there. He knew the law. He was also a learnt person. He knew the law of the country. And Nehruji also, he studied law in England. So both of them knew. and so they knew how to handle the situation. It is not that India got its freedom solely because of Gandhiji. Okay, it does not mean Gandhiji was the only person who gave us freedom. Not like that. There were various factors that led to the British. The situation in those times, they could not do anything. There was a fight going on in the country for 200 years. They were fighting. There were many leaders who could not come up. They were not famous. We don't know their names, but in those areas, those people were known. Like even the small kings were there, which limited the 600, 700 countries in our country. Inside our country, there were 600, 700 small countries, and they were ruled by kings. Many of them were fighting against the British, but they could not do anything because we have read about Jhansi Rani, how British could dominate and killed Jhansi Rani, and that led to the British finally leaving India. So there was various factors means various reasons, causes. That what was remarkable was that Gandhiji was able to bring people together. That is it. From people from different castes, creeds, races, faith, communities, all came together. There was unity, patience, and sacrifice in the freedom movement. The struggle for freedom in India represents a unique example. It was non-violent and peaceful in nature. Okay. Now see the meanings. Liberated. Liberated means free. Making free from bondage. You are binding to something. You are tied up. From that you are freed. That is liberated. Mobilizing. That is to call many people together. Join people together to prepare for an action. Opposing, in a competition with someone or something. Competing with someone.